Today I'm going to demonstrate how to access the PCV valve on a 2000 VW Passat 1.8 turbo, and the motor is ATW. I know I'm already way ahead of the assembly here and the process, but I just want to show the location. I've seen some videos out there that people were able to access from underneath. I did not, because first I didn't know the real location where the PCV valve was on this model. I ended up removing the manifold that's being so I did it to remove the manifold is I unplugged it and I mark as a 0. That's this sensor that goes over here. Let me see if the lighting gets a little better. Try unplug there. This is held by a few bolts. I think 2 bolts. I removed them, lift this up. That's the injectors. I clean them, and I plan to lubricate the O-rings and put it back. This is the coolant line. A little coolant fell. I had to wipe it down. Remove all the coolant, the manifold. I'm gonna get a new. I bought a new gasket. Let me get that part number for you guys. So I've been very successful buying parts from Amazon. I've tried to get the best parts out there. This car, so this came from Amazon. I think around $20. Here's the part number for that. Put it back in the box here so it's protected. So I recommend it. You remove the bolts, put them on a cardboard, write down where they come from. This is the O-ring that was inside here. I bought a new one. So again, if I was able to buy those emission parts from Amazon. This manifold was held by a bracket here on the bottom as well. I lose the bolt. I installed this. This is held by a clip. The clip is on the other side, so you might be able to remove from the bottom. That will save you a lot of time removing these. But I want to see my injectors and I want to clean. I'm gonna clean this exhaust manifold. I already scrubbed a little bit inside. It was pretty clean. I had to remove this bracket that belongs to here, so I'll be putting the gasket and we'll put the bracket back. I also replaced this line here that was coming down. This is actually, I bought this from Amazon and I'm putting on new, and I'll be replacing these vacuum lines because they're underneath, they're hard to get to. This one comes across. It's been there since I purchased the car. So here's the oil dipstick. I removed the I suggest maybe buy a new one because I don't know, it looks like it cracked. So it's being held. You see it's there. So put it back there after I'm done. Yeah, there's no thread. Coolant line, I removed there. The throttle body, I removed there. So this yeah, it's a little big project here, but this guy I replaced this T here. The one was and that's what you can find the PCV valve that sits inside there. This is what's I don't know if you can read. Yeah, it was really hard to get, so I ended up cutting with pliers to get it out. But Just the valve sits inside. It's about $10 on Amazon. Is the part number? Oh, there. It's just the location of this guy is inside there, and you can see that one's a little green. It's just a white. And you can see a little bit, and you clap that down so it doesn't go anywhere. See, so I'll be reassembling this shortly. Make sure this is connected. There was the O-ring that's in there. I made sure I bought a new one just in case. I don't feel like going back in here. You know, I had to remove my coolant reservoir that sits there. Be installing that in a little bit. Yeah, it's a big project, but it's coming along. I had a lot of junk inside the tube. I tried to clean as best as I could. Okay, good luck on your project. Wish me luck putting everything back together.